and welcome to Unboxing Canada with a new product, a new gift, as it is a new year. So let's open it together and see what is in there. Okay. What it's gonna be? What it's gonna be? It's a red box. New year. It's Lonnky. Okay. I don't know if you see it very clearly, but this is it. That's the name of the product, Consumer Security Expert. You guys see it? Here it is. Okay, that's the product. You guys see it? Okay, that's the name of the company. It's Consumer Security Expert. Let's open it and see what happened. It says here, makes your life safer. I hope it's gonna make me safe. Let's see what's in the box. Okay. So we have a safety kit. Okay. 24 hours video surveillance protection. Okay, I got it now. You guys know what it is? I think I know what it is. I will not say the name of it yet until you guys see it. We have a manual here, wireless outdoor IP camera instruction manual. I know 100% what it is now. Okay, I buy a lot of things from Amazon, so I get mixed up what's coming first. The network power, it's yellow. It's blue. Blue, sorry, it is. Okay, this will, it is a security camera. Wow, it looks really amazing. It is small. Wow,
it looks like a microphone.
It is amazing. That's the name of the company. It's Lonnky. Okay, I hope you see it from the camera here. Yeah, that's the name of the company. It's Lonnky. And this is the security camera. Okay, how do we connect it? We'll have to check the manual. So this is the power cord and parts. So basically what we need to do is check the manual, as we always do. Okay, let's see what we have here. Connection, appearance, and interface. Take a picture of this, guys. This is the manual that comes with it. The way that you can set it up from back and front. It tells here it's a Wi-Fi, so it's good. And you need to connect it to the router. You need a network cable, basically, so you can connect it to the modem. So you need a network cable. And how far it needs to be, if we put it like outside of the house. So we need a big network cable in order to connect it. So this one here, it's not, this one here will be connected to, let's open it here. Okay, just open it. And that's how it's gonna connect. That's to the network cable. And that's to the, what's it called, the modem. And then from there, you can connect it. So now, what if I, it wouldn't be possible to connect it really to the modem, because really this is very short and the modem is inside the house. So it should have like a Wi-Fi connection. So first of all, this is the antenna. We need to connect it here. So this will be connected. Okay, so let's go to the Wi-Fi option. I thought this wouldn't be possible. Now, in terms of the power, we need to have a power outlet outside the house. I know there is a power outlet to connect it from the top of the door until down. So I think this wire would be enough. But we need to check the Wi-Fi option. So yeah, there is a Wi-Fi option here. So if we set it up by Wi-Fi, it will be much easier. Yes, that's right. Add your device, DC adapter, Wi-Fi, IP camera. Please use wired connections with the internet cable to connect the camera. After the device is added successfully, wireless function will be available. So at the beginning, we have to connect it to the router in order just to set up the Wi-Fi settings. And then after that, we don't need to connect it to the modem at all. We just, can keep it on a Wi-Fi and it should be working after that. And you're safe. All right. And then here we have the IP camera and phone are in the same lane. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi. So basically, you have an application, mobile app, so that you can control the camera. So I hope this video will be enough for you guys. Just see here, this is a scan to download. So there's a scan here. You can click on the scan, basically the barcode, and the app will show, and then you can connect it easily. Again, I'll leave a picture of this. I'll leave a picture of this one here. Let me just take a picture of this for you guys in the video, which you can then see it or pause so it'll be clear, and it will come with a package. Under this video, I'll put the link for the product where you can buy it from Amazon. And yeah, I'll try it later on, guys, and I'll let you know on the comments. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and press the notification bell to be notified when there are new products coming to our house, unboxing it with you guys. Now we'll try to connect another video, which would be for learn with us how to connect this and set it up. Thank you guys, and have a good night.